wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best solar pool covers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, with an 8mm thickness and a blue and silver dot-like pattern, the Midwest Canvas is a decent option for above-ground circular pools in open areas that don't require anything designed to stand up to lots of leaves or debris. It lies nice and flat, however it takes 2 people to lay it out, and it starts to get brittle over time. At number 7, the Intex 29025E works like a charm without costing you a lot of money. You can use multiple units together to retain heat over a larger area, similar to lily pad warmers if needed. It helps to extend your swimming season beyond the summer months. Your pump can still run while it's on, and it's available in 5 sizes, but it may blow off in heavy winds. Coming in at number 6 on our list, if you have an 8 or 10 foot round pool, the Steinbach Crystal Clear fits the bill for function and affordability. It's a cinch to set up and floats nicely once in place. It also comes with a carrying bag for simple transport and tidy storage. This one's lightweight for easy maneuvering and offers edge-to-edge coverage. However, the material is a little thin. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for solar pool covers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Poolmate Deluxe offers coverage in any one of 12 different cuts and sizes. Its diamond-shaped bubbles are uniquely crafted for high-temperature retention, and its aluminum heat shield undercoating reflects warmth back into the water. It's easy to store when not in use, and stands up well to UV rays, but it is prone to ripping. Halfway up our list at number 4, the Blue Wave NS520 is made of a heavy-duty 14-gauge resin that's thicker than most of its competitors, so it should stand the test of time. Its clear finish allows the sun to penetrate all the way down to the bottom of the pool for thorough heating. It also helps to keep leaves and dirt out and rolls up effortlessly. It can retain a warm temperature overnight. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, designed for either in-ground or above-ground pools, the Sun 2 Solar Round boasts a handsome blue hue that blends in beautifully with the water. It's UV protected to keep it safe from intense rays, as well as reinforced to prevent wear and tear over time. This one's easy to install and take off, and saves on heating costs, plus you can trim it to fit. At number 2, for swimmers who own and maintain above-ground pools with odd curvy shapes, the Heritage Splash SCV 2415 is the choice for you. It can be cut and customized for your unique configuration, plus it helps block out dirt and debris that might clog a filter. It's built with tightly packed bubbles and heats water by up to 15 degrees. It weighs just 16 pounds. And taking the top spot on our list, with the Deluxe Sun to Solar Crystal Clear, you can enjoy warm water without expensive equipment and a shocking utility bill. It comes in a multitude of sizes to fit every pool and helps to reduce water evaporation by up to 95%. It's available in a diamond or circle pattern, backed by a 5-year warranty. It's constructed of rugged resin. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for solar pool covers, or simply click beneath this video.